Shaman versus Cthulhu Druid.
Okay. I think lamang yung Aggro Shaman though.
Yeah.
BRB lang. What?
Shit, that's gonna get swiped. Totem thing from below. Dark Arakoa.
Hello?
Hello?
Ano?
Ayun, nag-figure out ko rin. Naliligaw ako kanina, tsaka sorry pala kanina. Nag-crash yung game ko.
Well, not sure what you're talking about. Wala tao kanina.
Overwatch nyo to, eh.
uh,
Hex. So, like we said,
so ano
lamang yung
sagot niya sa
Aggro
Ancient
Shaman.
of War next turn?
Anong sagot sa Ancient of War? You can double Lightning Storm.
Yeah, but that's not gonna kill it,
No, he has 6 health.
I guess.
You can trade something. Pag nag-Lightning Storm ka, tapos tin-raid mo yung thing from below, mababuff pa yung yung Tunnel Trog and you have lethal.
Oo.
Yeah, he knows he's dead. Yeah, kahit naibaba niya, he knows he's dead.
I-BM niya.
Doomhammer pa nga eh.
BM niya, hampas niya yung sarili niya twice dun sa ano.
Ako, I would have dropped Azure Drake. Kasampas niya yung sarili niya.
So that's 1-0
Tama lang yun.
Gab.
Yep, 1-0 Gab.
Ano ba yung decks ni Gab? Freeze Mage at saka Patron?
Yep.
Okay. Tapos...
Okay, Google. Hindi ko malala.
So Patron against mid-range. Mid-range Shaman.
Pinik niya yung Lightning Bolt.
Yeah. Nice Finley. Excuse me. Steady shot or heal? Heal, no?
Steady shot.
Really?
I think steady shot.
Ayaw mo ba ng annoying patrons na nahi-heal?
Unti lang rin kasi yung trigger mo eh.
Um,
Tapos, kung machamban rin man ng shaman yung spell power, walang mabubuhay talaga na patrons. So, I guess steady shot para pressure.
Totem Golem. Oh,
So, yun naman na tayo.
okay. Para
He's not
bumaba na niya yung
threatened.
thing from below next turn.
Yeah, tsaka he's not threatened by by the patron board yet. Wala naman siyang ibibigay na draw sa Acolyte pag mana tide yung binaba. So he might as well cycle. It just replaces itself. No big deal.
Okay, Dr. 4. Oh,
Okay.
may pinili yung
Totem
curve na. No? Bakit?
Yan, may sagot tuloy.
Yun nga. I would have, take yung, face, yung playing with faceless. Oh, well, sikit mo pala yung nag-draw mo na isa. Pero,
Thing from below. Oh, dyan, Ravaging Ghoul, execute.
inibate niya siguro yung execute. Feeling mo na-execute sa akin. Kaya siguro hindi niya pinili yung faceless time na.
Pwede ring Slam Corcoran. Or hindi sulit.
Pero saan mo ba niya save yung portion? Parang lahat ng minions ng shaman ay above 4 health. Except yun, totem goal lang. Yung
Bloodhoof, Hero Power.
I would Bloodhoof. Slam the 3/3
Just trade with
so you
Finley.
can draw. Trade with Finley.
Okay.
So, bakit kaya dun sa 3-4 niya sindan?
Kasi
Set
mistake.
up forward win?
Malalaman natin kung magdat sa mistake siya.
Well, pwede rin naman yan. Pero
okay.
nasasayangan ako dun kasi if you traded Finley tapos, yung 3/3 to the face, 2/6 there. The 3/2 will be left. The 3/4 pala will be left na untouched, di ba? Pero it's gonna get forced to be traded by the Bloodhoof. Basically, ang ginaguarantee lang yan is the 3/2 dies when he trades with the Bloodhoof.
No,
What?
that wasn't goal for.
Tama lang yan.
Patron turn na ba?
Oo.
Yeah.
Patron turn na.
Dapat.
Patay na yung Mali!
Bakit? Ba't yung ginawa yun?
Tama pala. Tama. Hindi yung bilang.
Okay. I get that.
Lightning Storm.
Well,
Ano ba yan?
Hero
Nagmamadali
Power,
tayo.
Lightning Storm. Pag Wrath of Arian, GG. Okay, pwede pa.
watch him clear
Don't.
the board. Hindi, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Allow it to say.
He forces a trade with patrons.
Oh
Oh,
my
dear
God.
Lord.
Oh
He
my
forces
God.
a trade with patrons. Tapos, kapag naglapag pa ng something else si Gab, lightning storms. Oh my God, he's going face. Oh God, this is bad.
Go face. Of course, go face.
Ilan na ba?
Gabber, no!
Kasi total may execute ka naman eh.
Di ba yan? 9, 13, 18 pa lang.
Hindi, I mean, ano, kumbaga,
Sabagay, may Hunter Hero power ka.
Oo, yun nga yun.
Go face. Gab!
What? What?
The one time you didn't go face.
Sobrang, ang tawag dito, Coletta play. Kumbaga, ano, sobrang safe.
Whirlwind?
Okay.
Ba't di siya nag-whirlwind?
Oh, siguro
he's afraid
feeling
of
yan
lightning.
meron ng lightning storm.
Breath of air.
Yun yan.
Oh,
Ah.
there's a lot of stake here.
That was a mistake.
I think,
Dapat nauna niya yung binaba yung Thunder Block.
actually,
Di ba ano, kapag pinlay mo yung Thunder Block and then yung Zero Power ka, mabubuff na agad yung
yung
front.
lalabas.
Or kasi nipipay around siya sa ano. Ay, hindi. Magiging 2 rin naman kasi. Okay.
Now the question is, do you execute that or do you
Actually, kahit hindi na kasi
Actually, lapag mo lang yung Armor Smith and you already win.
What? Oh, sige. Hindi kasi pag dinap niya yung armor speed tapos nag-lightning storm na, walang space for the additional 2 turns.
Bagay.
Okay, may clear kaya niya. Okay, hindi na clear yung dalawa.
Oh,
Ay, shit! Clear! May chance pa.
And that's why you put down the
I
Armor
smell a
Smith.
comeback.
No comebacks.
Kailangan niya ng 2 turns lang. Kailangan niya mabuhay for 2 turns. May hero power
and
siya.
I think, and I'm sure Fugel only runs 1 Bloodlust. This is over. There's no combination of draws here that will give him an out.
Tapos
Unless Fugel runs
16
Healing Wave
turns
or
pa.
something.
I actually don't remember. Nope. Yes, Primal.
GG.
GG.
GG. Yung Bloodlust talaga kanina eh.
Yeah,
Oh, shit!
sayang yung bloodlust.
Sayang yung Bloodlust kanina. Okay. Moment. Masyado yata siyang natake sa Bloodlust.
So 2-0.
Get Hunter Hero Power.
Actually,
2-0.
Hunter Hero Power.
Yun yung nagbuhat eh. Ilan beses yung nagamit yung Hunter Hero Power kanina? Parang 4 times? No.
Wait lang.
Ah,
Medyo
I
hindi ko
don't think
marinig yung boses mo. Medyo muddy. Lang.
Oh, nako.
Adjust
Totoo
ko
kaya
yun.
tayo naman.
These two guys really want to play Overwatch.
Freeze Mage mid-range.
Mid-range can win. Pero it's kind of 50-50-ish.
Depende sa start ng ano eh. Depende sa start ng, eto na.
Yep. Kung ano to, kung mag-steamroll tong ano to.
Yep.
Frog.
To be fair, you can say that for all decks.
I guess.
Sa bagay. Yeah, mo, on the curve. Oh.
Torch mo na ba yung Trog?
Oh
my god, Totem Golem.
my God. The value.
Amazing.
Torch the Trog.
Yeah.
Kailangan niya makakuha ng ano, Flame Strike.
He's not gonna survive.
Pero ang
on
tanong
Flame
kasi,
Strike.
yun. Kung aabot siya sa flame strike to. 2 minute PE. Oh, God. Kailangan niya talaga i-ice last yung ano. Faceless.
Ganda ng start ng ano,
Yung shaman.
ng Shaman. Putik, 5-6.
Ang laking totem golem ito.
Yep. I think that's game. I mean, sure, he has Ice Block, pero... Yeah,
Yep.
kahit ma-blizzard niya eh, wala rin eh. So,
Ngayon, ang
2-1.
tanong, mare-reverse it kaya to. Kasi yung isa, di ba, Cotton Druid yata yung isang keyword. Tama ba? Cotton ka.
Cthulhu Druid. I think mas favorable tong matchup na to sa Freeze Mage kahit papano kasi hindi siya kasing aggressive ng Shaman. Pero mas mahirap
Ano
pa
ba
rin.
ang win condition na kasi ng Druid yata dito yan. Ano ba? Cotton lang. Hindi ko ma-imagine na ma-outvalue mo eh. Kasi ang daming board control ng face mage. Tapos wala naman na nagra ng Kit of the Druid or any silence sa Druid. So, medyo wala makaka-feeling, walang answer yung Druid sa atin sa'yo.
Well, actually, the big thing about this matchup is that una, is Freeze Mage gonna get Alexstrasza before Cthulhu Druid gets Cthulhu? Because Freeze Mage really doesn't have any good answers to the early Cthulhu buffing drops. Unless, kasi they don't want to spend their burn on it eh. Diba? Pero, so by the time na turn 10 na, tapos may Cthulhu na yung Druid.
Or there's
Problema na yun ng
Alexstrasza.
Freeze Mage. Pero yun nga, if Freeze Mage gets Alexstrasza, Cthulhu Druid doesn't really run heals, only taunts. And taunts really don't matter against Freeze Mage. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
9 lang. 9 levels.
9 lang, that's fine.
Why Wild Growth? I would have played na yung Flaxy.
You play Wild Growth to get to Kusun faster. Kasi nga, yung win condition mga dito, diba, is to drop Kusun before they get up Ice Block and Alexstrasza and stuff like that.
Oo nga pala. Tsaka ano rin kasi, naging unstoppable yung dalawang Twilight Blade Elder na to. Anong lantern na sila ng James Blade? Plus 11
Okay lang siya dyan.
11 na ngayon si Kusun.
Okay lang siya dyan kasi Forgotten Torch cycles to a bigger spell. Pero kasi he doesn't really want to spend the Fireball for it. Kasi yun yung stable damage niya. At this rate, he's kind of forced to play Nova Doomsayer. Pero Nova Doomsayer on 2 creeps, 2 minions is just really bad.
Kailangan mo i-save yung Doomsayer for Cthulhu turn eh.
Kaya nga, kung hindi ka umabot sa Cthulhu turn, you're similarly dead.
Pero sa turn na to, ang tingin ko, Torreson na yung pinamaganda kasi dami yun. Tapos, yun din.
Yeah. I think Torreson. Sulit si Torreson. Tapos, it redirects the 5 damage from Arakoa.
Pinili niya yun sa'yo.
Kasi, you can Torreson on turn 7 so that you can Alexstrasza on turn 8.
Gain
Siguro yun yung isip ko. Kaya,
kasi diba pag pag binaba mo yung mana ng Fireball and Pyroblast, you can do things naman. He has like 1 or 2 draws to draw into more burst naman. So this effectively becomes a race on who drops their power creep first. So it's possible that he drops Taurus on this turn. Or he can just loot Hoarder. I would drop Taurus now. Kasi you have 2 fireballs.
Pero active talaga yung battle nito sa ngayon. Kasi, may ice block na rin sa hand ng Freeze Mage.
You can actually innervate Disciple and Klaxi.
Yeah.
Yes. Conservative plays. What are you gonna... Okay.
Oh.
That was a mismanagement
So, Alex na ba to?
of
Oo.
mana. I would Alex. It's your only
Oh,
way to win.
nice. Icelands
If
pa.
you Alex right now,
Yep. This should be over in 2 turns.
yeah, kasi pwede ka mag Ice Block, Fire Blast, Fire Blast. Fireball, Fireball.
Oh. Wow.
No, it's still not over.
Oh, nabuhay
Yep.
pa.
It's still not over. Ice Block, Fireball, Fireball.
Yun na. 2 turns na. Wala niya.
No,
What?
Gab, no.
What? Oh, well.
Well, I guess this is fine din naman.
Oo. Pero pa rin. Hindi. Mas mabilis sana kung nangyari Ice Block, Fireball, Fireball. Kasi next
This
turn.
is fine. This is fine kasi 8 health, 8 lang siya.
Yeah, GG. May pyro.
Pyro.
Okay, that's fine. Oo nga no. Wala to.
Ako, I would have just double fireballed para meron kang despair in your life. The inevitable is about to happen.
Tapos you keep pointing sa isang card para iparating sa na Pyroblast yung isang card mo.
Next level BM.
Level BM. Galing mag-freeze mission ka pa.
GG. Sa pyro. Icelands na muna.
Ako, I would have loot order.
Hindi ka makapag-pyro kung mag-loot order. Ay, nga pala, pwede pala.
Hindi, 1 lang yun eh.
Okay, so 3-1 Gab.
Okay. Overwatch.
That was
Overwatch
fast.
time. Let's go.
Overwatch.
Nice Gab.
Overwatch na. Guys, sorry kanina nag-crush yun.